Everyone, and hope you're well. So today I thought I would share with you my favourite deodorants. I've spoke about hygiene before and I love a good deodorant, but I wanted to show you my tried and true, like that I buy over and over again. So I'm going to start with my natural deodorants. These are my favourites. They're by Salt of the Earth, and I've got, let's see if the sun's not in it, I've got 3 of them here. Salt of the Earth, this is the original one, so it's got no scent whatsoever. These are, you get them from Holland & Barrett. They are completely natural, they're long lasting, they don't leave white marks, they're not tested on animals, they're vegan, multi-award winning, 100% natural ingredients, including natural mineral salts, organic aloe vera and baking soda. This is fragrance free, chlorohydrate free, alcohol free, aluminium free, parabens and triclosan free. So it's all free from. And you spray it underneath your armpits, obviously. And it is a bit wet. In fact, it's very wet. So you have to let it dry. That's the trick with this. You can't then drag your clothes over and wipe half of it off. Normally what I do is, I do my skincare in the bathroom, then I put my deodorant on, and then I do my makeup, and by the time I've done my makeup it's dry and it lasts a lot better. Now they've got a few scents. There used to be just the 2, which is the natural scent, this has got no scent, and then this is my favorite one. This is the Lavender and Vanilla. I absolutely love this. It's finished. I love this scent. It is just sweet and vanilla-y. Same product, same application, put it on your underarms and away you go. I love the smell of this. And then the one I've just picked up now, which I thought would be quite nice for summer, is the Melon Cucumber. This smells gorgeous. So this is my latest one that I've just picked up. It's a really nice summer fresh scent. It's got a fusion of over 50 natural botanical extracts in this one. So love this. The best advice I can give you about natural deodorant is, it is a long process to get used to, because your body is so used to having an antiperspirant that stops you from sweating, whereas a natural deodorant doesn't necessarily stop the sweating, but it stops the odor. And I found that the more I stuck to the natural deodorant, the better it works. Obviously, if you're an extreme sweater, it may not. If you are using something like this, you have to literally wash your armpits every day or have a shower every day. Maybe also before you go out in the evening or something like that. It's quite, until you get used to it. But once you get used to it, it's brilliant. And then I have found that antiperspirants actually don't work on me as well as these do now, because I've been using them a lot. Okay, next deodorant is Thorn. I love this. This is by Old Spice. And this isn't a natural deodorant. This is just a normal deodorant. I love this. I got this because I love wolves and the name Thorn, and just the picture, it just looks so, you know, gothic and just nice. But oh my god, this is my, this is my summer deodorant. I wear this all summer, and I just carry it around in my bag as well if I just want to top up. First of all, it's like blue, but it smells of like tropical juice drink or bubble gum or something fruity. It's very fruity. It's so nice. Absolutely love this. Brilliant deodorant. Nice long-lasting scent. Doesn't clash with anything. And if you feel like you want more protection than a natural deodorant, then this is a good one, especially in the summer if you're going to be sweating more anyway. Love this deodorant. Then I've got my evening deodorant or special occasion deodorant, and that's the Donna Karan Kashmir Miss. This is your cashmere sweater deodorant, reserved. Okay, whenever I wear my soft, luxurious sweater, I wear this. It's a lovely winter scent as well, because it's got vanilla, amber. It's got that sort of almost baby powder scent, which I just love. But this is the deodorant you wear when you're going out in the evening, okay? You're going for dinner, you're going for a cocktail, you're wearing your little black dress. This is the deodorant to wear, because it just complements any fragrance that you're wearing, and it's got that sensual scent to it. A lot of deodorants just smell fresh, don't they? It's very it's not very often you find one that's got a sensual smell that kind of goes with your evening. You don't want to go out for a meal and smell of like Shore Active Fresh. You know, you want to smell sensual. You want to smell warm and delicious. And this does that. I absolutely highly recommend this. Beautiful, beautiful deodorant. And then last but not least, I have a antiperspirant spray. And this I reserve specifically for the gym. That's it. That's the only time. Gym only. Get up in the morning, spray that on, go to the gym, come back, shower off. It's not something that I would pick to wear for the whole day. It's just great for the gym. Or if you've come back from the gym and you've got to go somewhere else and you've got time to have a shower, excellent. Or if you're wearing any of the other deodorants, say one of these natural deodorants, and the next day you're going straight to the gym, again, this is brilliant. I love Dove anyway with deodorants. I love their stick deodorant as well. But this is great to have in your gym bag, great in an emergency when you really need to just spray your pits. Brilliant. And this scent is the pomegranate and lemon verbena scent. They've got lovely smells, so this is a lovely one. Yeah. So that's it. That's my deodorant roundup. Have you seen anything in there that you use or interested to use? If you've got some excellent deodorant recommendations, let me know below. I know Native is a really popular natural deodorant in America. Can't get it here. I've looked on Amazon, can't freaking get it. Because I'd like to try that one. I always like to try new deodorants, especially natural ones. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.